Today we're letting AI guide our hand. Turns out it did a pretty good job.
Maybe. They gotta watch it.
Yeah.
Spoiler alert.
I think it did good.
Maybe I was lying.
I bet it's true. Welcome to Garnish Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek can make for you a cocktail called the Maple Bourbon Old Fashioned. This recipe comes from ChatGPT because Jennifer was like, "Hey, I was like, I need another fall cocktail." She's like, "Well, why don't we ask ChatGPT?" And she just started over there while I'm writing the recipes, talking to you.
And that's just what came up?
Yeah.
If this is good, we're done. No more cocktail show because ChatGPT is doing it all.
Yeah. So the prompt was, build me a drink recipe using fall flavors, and then the second prompt was build me another recipe using fall flavors because apparently the first one wasn't good enough. It says it has memory, it remembered what you said the first time, and it just reiterated it and built a different one. So this drink's going to be 2 ounces of bourbon, ½ ounce of pure maple syrup, 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, an orange peel, cinnamon stick, cloves optional for garnish. Instructions were combined in a mixing glass. What you're doing, that's good. Add ice, stir. Express oils over rocks glass, and cloves and cinnamon sticks, strain over ice. Those are the words outside of the strain over ice I added because it didn't say anything about ice, and it seemed weird.
So we're going to express before we pour.
Yeah, like to get it on the glass.
Yeah.
Yep. And that is what the AI said to do. It
add
generatively
cloves
told me
and
those things.
cinnamon sticks.
After expressing. We're going to express, then we're going to add the stuff, then we're going to add the drink.
Yep. And the best thing about GPT-4 over GPT 3.5 is it knows who I am. Prior to that, it gave all of the credit for my show to a completely different journalist.
Oh, see?
Skynet.
Yeah. When I asked it,
because it wanted you to use it more.
Derek, what's it called?
What? Oh, the drink? Maple Bourbon Old Fashioned?
Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good.
It came up and said that I was a popular bartender on social media or something like that. And I was like, I like the words. That sounds good. Yeah. I was like, cool.
You're like, I'll take that.
Trained off of old data. But whatever. Not on TikTok doing like
do the whole glass with it.
So here's
you gotta
Well, I'm expressing. I'm not like rubbing.
Yeah, well, you gotta rub it too. That's the part of expressing.
You gotta rub it. It expresses when you rub it.
Well, do you see all the stuff on the glass?
I don't.
You gotta rub it around the rim.
When you express oils, it's very hard to appreciate it unless you have the right light.
Right, and the flame.
Yeah.
Well, I can see it getting on the glass. Right?
Yeah. Normally the people near it can, but like I've tried to get it in the camera, and like the hardest shot is to express oils with fire.
You'd be a hard-working bartender.
Yeah. You'd only have like one customer. They don't.
It'd be like 25 minutes later. He's like, I'm expressing your shit.
But then he's not nice, and he's like, I'm not making that drink. I've made that drink twice. You're done.
You're done.
Take it
Can
off
I have
the
another
menu.
bartender? No.
Nope.
Take that shit off the menu. I made it twice.
There's
Now
oils.
you gotta swirl
Do you
it.
see all the oils?
I know, but you gotta swirl it.
By the time
you
you're
gotta touch
done,
the
you're
shit.
only gonna have
swirl it.
You're gonna have an oleosaccharum by the
No,
end.
you gotta swirl it around.
Fucked up.
What the hell is
How
going
many
on?
cloves are we doing? Just
2.
Go ahead, 2. Sorry. If you go over 2, like 3.
But that's not gonna make a difference once it's in there.
I don't know. Like sometimes they do,
I don't
but
know.
usually it has
I
to
think
sit
that's-
for a while.
You gotta put some ice in that shit.
Yeah, what up?
Do we?
Yeah, I put that on there. That was not ChatGPT. I added
Okay,
the
so
ice because it
doesn't
should.
taste good. This might have fucked it up because ChatGPT is going to say do this.
It can only be colder. So I think we'll.
You have to pour it over ice. It says it. Strain over ice.
No, I wrote the over ice part is what he's trying to emphasize.
I was
All
gonna
the rest
say
of it's
is
from ChatGPT.
valid points both.
I just added that because sometimes you have to fix ChatGPT because it's not an actual person. And working in the AI space, I have seen things, and it's not always good.
It's always right. What are you talking about?
I have seen it do
It's
things.
always right.
I have seen gnomes with 5 fingers.
Maple Bourbon Old Fashioned
Wait, no, 5
Look
fingers.
at
with
that.
heavily expressed oils.
No,
Yeah.
Kid.
no,
I'll fucking eat
dude, I
apple
can eat.
cider donuts all the
Oh, yeah.
fucking time. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, bro.
I'll use apple cider donuts as a burger bun.
A fucking ice spice dunks. I'm doing it.
You know what I want? I want 2 of those nice donuts with the glazed donut in the middle,
Wow. That's a lot.
like a
All
donut
right.
sandwich.
We got this. I'm drinking it.
Yeah, good. Well, I just wanted to rest. So
Oh
we
wait,
get some of
before
the
you do
clove.
that, we can express with flame.
Oh god, he's gonna.
I'm
He
gonna
just
express
wants
this
to
flavor
light
anyway.
shit on fire.
Yeah.
That's what it comes down to. Oh, ChatGPT never told me to light anything on fire. You're right. Are you lighting the pith?
I don't know what I'm doing. The orange sucks.
No,
Yeah.
you gotta like.
You know
It's a
why?
weak orange.
You want to know why it's a weak orange? Because this sucks. This time of year sucks.
It's not citrus season.
Yeah,
No.
that's interesting.
You gotta
I went.
feel it.
I
because
spent,
you got too much of the.
I spent
pith in
more
there.
time looking for because there's no actual
Well, that ain't
flesh
bad.
because it's
That ain't
a
bad.
shitty navel orange. I was gonna get the car, but they taste like lemons this time of year. Did you just fucking dance around like that's gonna do some shit? How much have you had?
Are you asking that question?
After making the whole menu, Dan's like,
See? Do it. Shoot it.
Did
What
you,
the fuck was
did you
that?
throw it at the flame and
Fucking
expect
do it. Mine's not doing it.
There you
Oh,
go.
there we go.
That was
Cinnamon.
weak.
Cinnamon's
quite
good. Where's the cinnamon
anticlimactic.
sugar? That makes it all fucking
yeah,
sparkly.
No, it's
Yeah,
not cinnamon
cinnamon.
sugar. It's just
Just
cinnamon.
Well, just cinnamon. I mean,
What do you think of the drink?
fuck you.
Here, you use fire for the purposes of evil, so you don't.
I think the drinks are good.
Did ChatGPT do justice to the cocktail world?
It tastes like old fashioned. It's strong and yet sweet at the same time.
Yeah.
I would say I would tone. Okay,
Maybe
so-
a little bit less maple syrup.
Yeah,
It said 2 tastes, so.
yeah.
Seems safe.
Oh.
See?
A half ounce is pretty good, but yeah,
Oh,
you can go
God,
there.
Another maple syrup drink.
It has
Oh,
nothing
you
to-
like it?
has
You
nothing-
like maple.
It has nothing to fight against. Here.
All of a sudden, she doesn't like maple? Whoa. You're like an anti-mapleist?
Like-
What? You don't even like Canada?
She runs around all the trees that are tapped. She fucking rips them all out. She's like, no more maple for anybody.
Judgy McJudgy syndrome.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Didn't even taste
I
it.
know.
Oh,
I
another
almost
maple
get a
drink.
cherry out of that. For some
Yeah.
reason.
No more maple.
Oh, that's good.
Not bad, right?
Oh. Now you like it.
If it were me,
Oh, that tastes like a maple candy. I like maple candy.
There's a
She
drink at
likes
the
I do like maple candy.
Night Shift Brewery in
Ooh, it
the
does
Encore
taste like
there?
maple candy.
they have a maple bourbon drink where they put one of those little maple candies in it.
Oh, yeah, no, I saw
how
that.
long did that last?
Yeah.
I would do that.
Oh, if you were,
It
oh my
lasted the
god,
whole time.
if you were there, we were drinking those.
They're so good.
Oh.
I would do
I have one
that.
there.
I like maple candy.
I like maple candy. So like
That is good.
we had a running joke where like one of our coworkers is from Canada. She
One
brings
drink.
maple candy.
all that.
She didn't bring it last time, and she's like, "I gotta wean you guys off the maple candy because it goes away like instantly. Like everybody just eats all the maple.
It's like
candy.
pure sugar.
Run around.
Delicious.
Oh, yeah, maple candy is good.
Yeah, it's like more. Yeah, it's really bad.
So I think the true experiment here is the AI experience with
With creating a drink.
Listen,
He did a good job.
It did
So-
a good job.
for those that don't understand why this matters, the AI
So
didn't
now you gotta
invent
cut
the
it.
drink, right?
They created it off
The
of
AI
Facebook.
invented a drink derivative of other people's art,
Yes.
right? So like people are like, oh, that's fucking genius. No, like if you go and search for maple old fashioned or bourbon old fashioned
Right.
with maple syrup,
You're
you
gonna
will find something
like that.
very similar because I checked.
And
Well,
it's
of
gonna
course.
find
It's not
well
the same.
maple and cloves go well together and cinnamon's
Right.
a fall flavor
Yeah.
and those go well together. So
If you could learn all of the flavors and figure out how to pair them, you too shall be as smart as ChatGPT. But it works. So if you're looking for a quick recipe, it's actually, I found it doesn't come out too bad. I've tested it early on with like just 3.0 before 3.5. Like it came out with some good stuff. I
Well,
was just pissed off because it didn't know my name.
It's just putting shit together that's fine, eh?
recognize
Right.
it.
Yeah.
Well, if you say make me a bee's knees, it'll make you one that, which is our next drink. It'll
Yeah.
make you one that's pretty much like any classic
Yeah.
one you get. It's not going to totally fuck you up where you get this pile of turd.
No.
But I
Unless
would,
you ask it to make you a pile of turd.
right, then you're on your
Then
own.
you're weird.
I had it write me some code the other day.
I
I have it write me code all the time.
Yeah, I'm like, I need this.
Yeah.
And it's like, okay.
it's great for Dan because Dan actually knows how to code, but he doesn't code.
Mm.
So like he's good enough to be able to go, that's not right.
Yeah.
Or oh, that's good enough. I'll take crib
Well,
this
it
part
only
and this
writes
part.
easy stuff, and that's what I need.
Yeah, Dan's like a
It's like
fucking
if you need
4-year-old.
something easy, I'm like, oh, I need something to like go through like my email.
Yeah.
Right? I'm like, I want you to go through my email and I want to look for this word. And it was like, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, sweet.
Yeah.
That's a manager move right there. I would have just deleted all my email and been like, fucking just send me a new email. I don't want to.
I uploaded a security document to it, the SOC 2 report. It said, hey,
Make
does
this
this vendor use IDS? Yes, and they'd cut the thing. I'm like, do they have firewalls?
No.
I'm like, sweet, this makes my job easy.
Well, we'll have
You do have
eventually.
to check though to make sure. Like I
Yeah.
read through it initially to make sure that they really did have all that stuff, so I did know the answer ahead of time.
If you don't want to use
Well,
AI,
That's why they've shut it off. Like they at our work, you can't use it.
We have our own.
what?
Yeah, through
We have the Azure OpenAI.
yeah.
Why?
So
So through ours, like if you go to ChatGPT, like you can get to the site, but
Why
you
won't they
can't
let
use
you
it
use
anymore. It's shut out because they don't want you uploading like
they don't want you.
because so many people
Oh,
have uploaded code
Yeah.
and have been like, hey, check my code for me.
Right.
And now ChatGPT's like, thank you for all that code that you just
Yeah.
wrote because I'm gonna suck it in.
They didn't
And
do
now
that
it's
anymore.
permanently.
Yeah, it's different if you have it
Yes.
like you can use it.
Yeah.
But you have to like ask. You have to be like, hey, I want to use this for such and such.
Yeah, we might
And
have.
then they're fine.
We did our own
Well,
because
shit,
we have it in
government.
OpenAI.
Yeah.
We have it in Azure OpenAI,
You'll get there.
and we work with Microsoft, so they don't even. They collect absolutely nothing.
Yeah.
OpenAI and even Azure will keep it for 30 days in case you do anything illegal or like they look for terrorist shit. We're like, hey, you can't do that.
Yeah.
Dan's gonna start doing a lot of terrorist stuff.
Well, right. So a
For
lot
them.
of things that we do would probably constitute being a
Right.
terrorist.
Yeah.
That's it. You guys can go out, make a drink. If you don't want to use the AI, just go to recipe.awesomedrinks.com.
It works.
It'll work.
You can use DI,
Derek?
intelligence.
Derek intelligence?
Yeah.
It's like general intelligence, but Derek.
Yeah.
So it's gonna
It's
have lots
here.
of weird shit happens. You're gonna be thinking of stuff. And
There's
it's
good
gonna-
drinks though.
Yeah.
Just look in Cameraman Cocktail YouTube. It's fine. Just
That's
use
CI, Cameraman.
Cameraman.
That's a lot of work. It sounds like
CCI, Cameraman Cocktail Intelligence.
CCII. Yeah. There you go. Bartender starter kit. Sidebar
But
video.
just about alcohol.
Teach you how to drink.